Welcome back. Now the installation is done, and let's go ahead and explore some of the features of the Visual Studio. But before we go ahead, if you don't have a Microsoft account, go ahead and create one. Just press sign up and register, and you can do it later, of course, but it will give you only 30 days with the Visual Studio Community Edition. I have an account, so I will press sign in. I'll enter my account. It's validating the user. Hello. Now it's done. It's taking another minute, and here it is. Now we have installed and signed in with the username. Let's see some of the main components of the Visual Studio. From File here, you can go to New, select a project, and here you will see different versions and different projects that you can create. Here you can select Visual C#, and you can create WPF, Windows, Console. At the first, we will be using the Console app as a starter. Then later we will discover the Windows Forms and many other features as we are going. Let's create console app.NET framework. Here you can specify the name. Say it's hello world, and where it will be saved, and the solution name, and we will talk about what is a solution. Go ahead and press OK. It's creating the project now. Now, as you see, here is some code, and we will explain this piece by piece in the coming lectures. But first, let's take a look at the main components. Here on the right side, you can see a pane called Solution Explorer. Here you will see all the projects that you have. Think of a solution file. At the top, you see something called Solution. Solution is the parent of all the projects that you will be creating. So at the moment it says that it has only one project, which is Hello World, the one that we have just created. And here you can see the project folder under the solution, and it has only one C# file called program. Of course, you can come to solution and press right click and add many projects as you want. I can create another console app, or I can create any kind of different apps. I can create a library, .NET framework, and call it, for example, hello world lib, and press OK. Now the solution has two different projects, and as you're seeing, one of them is in bold. If you can see it here, bold means that this is the main project in the solution. So if I'm going to run this project, this will be the start point that the project, the whole solution file, will start from. So I can change it, of course, anytime. I can go here, for example, and say set as startup project, and now the bold changed from the Hello World lib to the Hello World folder. Under the projects, I can come and also add items, but it will not be projects, it will be items. I can add a class, an interface, a Windows form, and we will see many of these features on the upcoming lectures. This is the part of the Solution Explorer. Here, of course, is the editor. You can start typing your code, and we'll not be typing any code in this lecture. Next, we will be see how we will write some codes. That's it for now.